How to hide your WhatsApp status from someone on an Android phone. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. On the Settings screen, tap Privacy to open your privacy settings. On the Privacy screen, tap Status. On the Status Privacy screen, select My Contacts Accept. Next, you'll see your contact list. Simply select the person or people that you want to hide your WhatsApp status from. Once you've made your selection, tap the confirmation button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. And that's it. From now on, the contact selected won't be able to see future WhatsApp status updates on Android phone. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel,